Okay, we're back in the intro chair. Hang with me. Okay, sorry in advance if I look exhausted. I was up until about 1:30 last night working, so bear with me, and I will do my best to describe my thought process on my video theme for this month. Okay, this month's theme is fire. So the importance of fire is it gives you the ability to cook food and boil water. It also gives you the ability to stay warm, dry out your clothes, light during the day. It's also a psychological boost because when you're in the woods, you're wet, you're cold, you're by yourself. Fire has been man's best friend since about the dawn of time. Whenever they figured out to make fire, it was fire. Whenever they found out to tame dogs, then that's man's best friend. But there's always something about fire that connects with people. That's why you find some people just staring in the fire because they like it, you know. I want to show multiple ways to start fire. So ferro rods, lighters, matches. There's also a fire piston, which is like the piston in your car. You put some punky wood on it and you shove it in. It's airtight, and the compression superheats the air and it turns that little thing of punky wood or whatever on the end of the rod into an ember, and then you can make fire. Over the course of the month, I want to discuss about fire making, techniques of keeping fire while you're traveling, using fire to cook food. I hope during the month I can convey how important fire is. You're like, yeah, sure, fire, like, I get it. But I hope that I can be able to give you the knowledge and techniques and skills that you will be able to make fire on your own out in the woods. If you don't have anything, that's always an invaluable skill, and it can save your life. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment down below about any videos you'd like to see in the future. So thanks.